Today in this video, I'm going to show you two indicator strategies today that are very powerful, that are tested by me, that are tested by my students, and many of my students are profitable just with the help of these indicators because these are not just the indicators, they are very, very powerful and they are developed according to the latest algorithm of the market. Okay, guys, so if you just look at this, the first indicator that I'm going to review is the market turning points indicator. So as you can see that it has created a selling opportunity here, and this was our previous resistance. Okay, if I write here, then you can see this was our resistance and retail trader enter into the short position exactly from this resistance. Okay, and my indicator is very powerful because this was the retail traders entry and they went into short. Okay, but you know that there is a liquidity hunt in the market all the time. So after taking the liquidity, because their stop losses were here and their stop loss was here and here, after hunting the stop losses of the retail trader, now my indicator comes into action and it has given me a sell opportunity. And you can see this was the perfect ride, that was the bearish, and this is also a perfect ride, that is information. It looks like that the market is actually targeting the buy opportunity on the lower side. So this indicator basically works with the liquidity and works with the latest algorithm of the market. Okay, right now if you just look at here, this is the gold 1 hour chart. Okay, now this was the sport zone for the retail traders. Okay, so this is the sport zone. Okay, now retail traders have entered into the buy positions just on that retouch. They entered into the buy, and now if you just look at here, the market comes to hunt the liquidity here. Okay, and the liquidity is hunted here. Okay, now if the indicator will, because this is the market turning points is the real time indicator, if it will be give me a this type of level like the buy opportunity here, a buy opportunity here, then what we will do, we will be looking for the price to go into the upward direction and our stop loss will be set up just below that level. In case if the gold continues to drop down, then we have another liquidity level that is available here, and this is the best, this will be the best discounted price that we can get to buy the gold, and then we can simply go for a buy position and our stop loss will be somewhere here. Okay, because we have two levels here, so our stop loss will remain here, and then we can expect a bullish ride from here. And this is the over smart indicator. It works beyond your expectations. Okay, just look at euro USD. Retail traders entered into the buy position exactly by looking at this port, and now look, this my indicator is very smart. After judging each and everything, it has given me a buy opportunity. And just look at the ride right now. If you just look at euro USD, it is it has went up because the liquidity hunt was done. Okay, so this is this indicator monitors the liquidity very well. Okay, and I can show you many examples, many examples. Okay, just look at this. This was the whole pool of the liquidity area, and after hunting the stop losses that were available on the lower side, look, you can see the market makers made a wick here, and then there was a buy opportunity appeared, and you can see the price simply went up and then it was rejected. So the market basically moves based on the liquidity, and this indicator will help you and tell you where the banks are going to take their next move. Just look at this one. It has provided, because this was the sport area for the market. Just look at this. This was the sport area, and the market has first of all, it has tried to retail trader trap the retail traders by showing the bullish candles. Now once they entered into the buy position, now you can see my indicator instantly drawn the sell opportunity level, and you can see the price is going down. So the proper buying levels are appear here. So instead of buying here, we will not buy because this is the very big zone. Okay, we will prefer to buy from here. So this is the over smart indicator. Okay, so if you want the lifetime access of my private indicator, the market turning points, you can contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description. The second indicator is called the bank indicator. That's very simple. This is straightforward indicator, but the levels are all not the all levels are real time. Okay, they can appear after the move as well. Like you can see, this is the real time level that is appeared here. Okay, but about this indicator, you can see you need to sell from the bank selling level, and if the price gives a close below the dotted green line, it's a sell for you. Okay, you will not take any kind of buy position from here. And my students know very well, those who have the lifetime version of the bank indicator, they know if the price has given a close below the dotted green line, it's a sell. And when the price has given the close above the a dotted red line, it becomes your buy. Okay, and you can see this is the perfect indicator, but it does not we cannot compare this indicator with the market turning points indicator, because the market turning points indicator is very heavy. It's very heavy, it's way accurate even than the bank indicator. But overall, you can see this indicator is a very good for the learners that who want to build some equity. They can simply use that indicator. This is very, very strong. So guys, if you want to book the lifetime version of the bank indicator or the market turning points indicator, you can contact on Telegram, you can email us. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you very much.